So today I'm going to install XMPP. So this is a web hosting software. It has different tools. So basically it's a control panel. Inside this there are many tools like FTP server, HTTP server, SQL and few other tools included. So let's install it and see how to do that. Go to Google XAMPP. Okay, so this is the website. So let's go there. Okay, so this is the website. So XMPP basically it's a most popular PHP development environment. XMPP is a completely free and easy install app to install an Apache distribution. So it has MariaDB, PHP and Perl. Okay, an XMPP open source package that has set up for incredibly easy to install and use. Okay, so this has following. We just released new version of XMPP for Windows PHP. So latest PHP is included. Okay, so let's so I want to install it in Windows. So let's go there. Okay, they want me to tweet. So okay, I have already done it, so I'll tweet it later. So if it is your download will start automatically. If it does not, click here. Okay, let's click here. So this is the software. So I'm downloading using this free download manager. It's a free downloading tool like IDM and other paid alternatives. So this is a good alternative which is free of cost. So you can use this tool. So my XMPP has installed. So just okay, I have just clicked it. Yes. Okay. So it will start now. So installer will start now. I just clicked it. So let's wait for it. If it does not start, we'll see. Okay, I'll go to that location. Clear. Okay, so this is the software. Started. Yes. Okay, so cancel, close. Okay, so it seems that you never get to continue. Okay, important because of okay, I clicked 2 times, so to install has started. So important because an activated user account UAC on your system, some functions are possibly restricted with UAC. Please avoid to install XMPP to window. Okay, so I'll install it at different location. Okay, so these are the options: Apache, which is web server, MySQL database, FileZilla, that is FTP server, Mercury mail server, Tomcat, that is a application server, which will be used to like host Apache Java based application or other more dynamic based application programs. So PHP will be installed. Perl, so these two basic language supports will be installed. PHP MyAdmin will be used to administrate the database. WebLizer will be used to analyze web services or web related things. Fake send mail, it is like just to test the mail functionality. This will be used. So next I'm installing it in different location. I'll change the location. Okay, so I will install here somewhere. Okay, I have an app. Okay, I have a drive where I keep the installed application. So okay, so I'll go to XAMPP. Okay, next. This is very simple setup. Okay, so this is just installing. After installation I'll start it and I'll show the options that we have and explore it. Okay, So basically why we use this is that instead of installing all these applications separately, this has bunched it into a single package, and it install everything at once. So instead of configuring everything separately, installing separately, we can install all the packages at once. And so basically it's a package of which supports web development. Okay, so we have XMPP in Windows, or WAMP in Windows. Earlier WAMP used to come, and for Linux we have LAMP. So which is Linux. Apache WAMP is Windows. A for Apache, A for Apache, WAMP for MySQL, or MP for PHP. Okay, so this is the like basically the meaning of LAMP, WAMP, XMPP. Okay, so it's asking me to, do you want to start the control panel? Yes, I want to. You can, if you don't want to, you can do it later from the start menu. You can see here it is installed, it comes here, or you can search for XMPP. Okay, this is here, it is installed. I'll show you in directories also. Okay, so basically I installed it here, so you can see here. So these are the different directories which are there, like which are created. So this is Apache, this is FileZilla directory, this is mail output, mail disk, Mercury mail directory, MySQL directory, PHP admin. So all these directories are there. Okay, so if you want to start Apache, it has started. Okay, and I can show you Apache base HTTP LOCAL localhost. See, this is the, so basically it has started a web server which supports all these things. Okay, so if you want to Apache PHP MyAdmin, you can go from here. Okay, dashboard. Okay, so basically cannot connect a serial. Okay, connection should. So basically why it's happening, because I have not started MySQL, so I'm starting it. Okay, so now if I refresh it, it will come. Okay, so these are the databases which are there, test databases, all these things. So this interface is used to control the MySQL database. Okay, so these are the things. So basically, okay, so I'll go back to the home page, to localhost. Okay, so this is for controlling MySQL. This is the web page. So suppose I want to have a simple web page. Okay, so I'll just and under construction here, construction web page code. I can also write it, but I'll just have for quicker. I can. Okay, this one, anyone I can take. I'll just want to show you how to host it on this Apache web server. Okay, so I'll copy this, raw copy, select all, copy, run, NOTEPAD. This is the web page. We have to save it into here. I'll show you where we want to save it. We should save it in XMPP, and then we have this. One second. We have where is it? One second. Anonymous file. Okay, MySQL. It should be okay. Tomcat Apache. Yeah. Okay. Should be. Sorry. I think I forgot it. Okay, here htdocs. Okay, and what I'll do, so instead of changing these things, what I'll do, I'll append sample SMP web. I'll create a directory, and save it as html. Okay, make it like this, otherwise this will add text extension here, sample web. So you just see the name is sample web, so save it. Okay, I've saved it. Then what we can do, local hello clhost and rmpl web. See, okay. So that is the page we have just created, example.com. It will just show that it's constructed. So this is basic functionality of XMPP. So once again, I'll walk you through. It has Apache, which is used to host web pages related to PHP, HTML, MySQL for database support, FileZilla for FTP server, Mercury for mail server, hosting mail server, Tomcat for application server. So this is a whole package which is supported by this XMPP. So hope you like this video. Please keep on bringing such videos. So thank you for watching. Have a great time ahead. Bye bye. Take care.